Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can pay your bills using the RBC mobile application. First step is to download the RBC mobile application from the Play Store. After downloading the application, you have to sign in the mobile application. After the signing the mobile application, the home page will appear in front of you. From there, you have to set up a P, and then after that you have to follow them some steps. First, you have to follow these steps. After you are in main home page, select the move money in the navigation bar. You will see that in the bottom, and tap the action button in the navigation bar. And from that you have to add a pay. Search a company name alphabetically or by category. You can also enter the name to search. If the company is registered, it will appear. If it is not, then it will not appear. Then you have to select a pay and add an optional nickname, and the account number you have to add, and you have to then tap to save button. After saving the pay, you have to follow these instruction. uh, Tap, go to back to home page and move money. Click on move money. Then you have to select pay bills. After selecting your pay bills, you have to select your provider. It means your phone number, not phone number, but yeah, choose the account to pay from. Enter amount. After selecting your amount and pay, you have to click on pay now. uh, from there you have to select payment date and frequency. After selecting all the things I have mentioned earlier, now you have to review all the things, and final you have to click on pay now. Now your bill is has been paid. It's a very easy and very simple. If you found this video helpful, then thanks for watching.